morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Didi, and yes, Bitcoin is a revolution from my back home garden in Playa del Carmen. Still here, not too long anymore, but I will tell you more about that in a new video. Let's quickly jump into a beautiful TA video with like 4 amazing charts that will show you exactly what I think and feel about Bitcoin. Let's jump here. Okay. This is the first one, guys. This is the 4-hour chart. My face is now in the right top. Maybe I don't need to shift it that much in this way. Let's see if that works. On this 4-hour chart, guys, you can see that the Bam Bam called the long over here. We would have taken it over there where there is complete green in the bottom. We would have taken this profit, of course, from there to the short flag. That would be like a 7% profit. You can see that this Bollinger Band on the back, this blue band, is like getting lesser wide, and mostly the width is decreasing. And mostly when that happens, like for example over here, look, it decreased and became very small, then bam, we have a breakout. The time before we became very small, bam, we went up. So we are seeing this happening again. We are seeing this tightening of the Bollinger Band, which mostly means that we will see a breakout soon, guys. How is the chart doing over here? This one, let's see the daily. That's kind of looking okay. Yeah, we had a low here, we have a higher low over there. We want to see the higher low above this purple line. And the beautiful part on the daily chart is that we can see the RSI is breaking out. So look, every time when the RSI breaks out, bam, we see that huge run. When the RSI is breaking out over here now, maybe retesting it and then running, then we can see that real run. Normally it breaks out directly to the top, but this is a daily chart and this candle still needs to close. So let's see what this is going to do. In this chart here over there, it's also the daily chart. You can see it a little bit more closely, that this dotted line in the back and the bottom of the RSI, we need to break that. We are kind of breaking that, depending on how we draw it. If we draw it like this, that the top here is in, and then we are breaking it at the moment. We can see also the price line coming down. We need to break that as well, and then we will go for that green line first, 33, and then the red line, of course, 48. But the resistance here is that first yellow line. That first yellow line at 38k, that is the resistance. That is the one that we need to break. Now maybe we will break it and then break the green line at the same time over there. On the weekly, we are zooming out. There's a long flag on the short, so that is what you do when you get the Bam Bam indicator. You get these alerts that tell you when to long on the 15, on the 5, on the 30 minute, just whenever you program them. On this weekly chart, I just wanted to show you how much profit you could have made with the Bam Bam indicator on the weekly. Let's say you started with 100k, that's like 9 BTC over here on the 12th October. Then here you would have sold, and those 9 BTC would have turned into 495,000 US dollar. You would have bought back over here, but you would have bought back in total 14.5 BTC at 34k, and you would have sold again at 63k. Those 45.55 BTC, and it was 917,000 US dollar. And you would be buying back soon when we seen that long flag, and then you would be buying for almost $1 million, depending on the Bitcoin price. But I guess it could be around 20 Bitcoins that you're buying back for that next run up. That is how easy the Bam Bam indicator works if you tie an amount to it, guys. Now on the monthly, we can see exactly the same. This one is going to close. This is a very important close. This one is going to close in like 10 hours. So this candle in 10 hours, I think it's very good when it closes above that blue line. That blue line, let me be clear, is a 21 moving average. The blue line is the look in the input, it's a 21 moving average of the monthly. This has also in history been proven to be a very important support line. The moment we break that line, you can see over here, the bear market started. Also when we break that orange line, very important moment. We did already break it, but we are finding support now on that next level of support, and that is the 21 moving average. Important, in my opinion. RSI is not at the bottom yet, but it is kind of low. If you look back, every time when we came to that green line, we exploded up again. So let's see on the monthly how that will play out. Do I have any more charts? Yes, I have any more charts. Hope my face is still in the right place in the top over there, and we will jump into bam over here. This is the first one. Now I need to switch my face. You see, this is really cool, because if you look at this chart, you can see very clearly that the exchange net flow means that there is a lot of outflows from the exchanges. So you can see that here in the bottom, you can see the inflows and the outflows. There is a lot of outflows from the exchanges, and the price is going up. So what does that mean? That means that I think a lot of big whales started to buy Bitcoin, and because they start to buy Bitcoin, they move the Bitcoins from the exchanges into their wallets. And yes, that will drive up the price like it always does. Look here, the whales start to buy. That's this moment here. I will do it like this. Look what happened after. It always, also in the short term here, we had a drop, the whales started to buy, we went up. And can we see this in another chart? Yes, we can. Of course we can, Didi. On this chart, I will make my face now a little bit smaller, and on the bottom over here, you can see that very clearly. You can see very clearly the green line is going up like very steeply, and the green line is representing the whales that are holding more than 1000 BTC. And when did they start to do that? Exactly when the gray line went down, when the price went down, like they always do. When the gray line is going down, you can see at a certain moment the green line will go up, and that means the whales start to accumulate Bitcoin, the price starts to go up. And when the whales accumulate more Bitcoin, the price will probably go up more and more. So let's see if this green accumulation line for the whales means that we are now turning around, and that Bitcoin is, bam, found its bottom again, around 34,000 US dollar this time. So maybe we will take it to that new all-time high of 70 to 80k. I am really looking forward to that all-time high from Mexico. I don't think I will see that one in Mexico, but then again, we are leaving very soon. But then I will keep that a surprise. I hope you really enjoyed today's TA video. If you did enjoy the TA video and drinking your coffee, well, then please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment, as I love to respond to your comments. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow again. And yes, maybe I will do a walk and talk video later today as well. So tomorrow we will have some more food for thought.